No nation, however big or small, however poor or wealthy, can escape the impact of climate change. Because of the shrinkage of the glaciers, you must have seen that nowadays the tides are also rising, and they are threatening almost all the coastal lines. There had been the powerful storms, there had been floods, and that's also threatening almost every continent. Frequently we are seeing that there has been drought, frequently we are seeing that there has been the pressure on the farmers and they are committing suicide. So one need to really think on these lines. In short, we can say that because of this global warming, what actually is happening is that security and stability of every nation is being threatened. Our existence, our survival is being threatened. Our prosperity, our health, our survival, everything is in jeopardy. What actually is happening is that all of us are doing the lip service, not doing anything. What actually is required, I think, is that we need to have a kind of a global collaboration. Unless and until we join hands, come together, pull our sleeves, we will not be able to do anything in this regard. And I really congratulate Babar Afzal for this initiative, because normally what happens, people just come across so many news items, they just have a glimpse of that and they forget. He saw this news item in one of the internet sites, that how the Pashmina goats have died because of this climate change. And this man had not stopped there. He had started doing something in this regard, and this is one of the best initiatives which he has taken, because he is using this the canvas as a medium to generate a kind of an awareness, because this is going to be in the longer run the most important aspect. What actually is happening is that we are not going for any kind of an action. There's inaction. We need to understand that inaction will have to pay more cost than action. So we need to act. And what Babar Afzal is doing, it's a tremendous and a good initiative, using canvas, using the paintbrush to generate a kind of an awareness, where he's trying to tell the people that how you need to come together and do something to prevent the Pashmina goat. It is not about the life of the goats. It's all about the ecosystem. It's all about the biotic community. It is all about the biotic environment that is suffering over the period of time. And when our survival, our existence is under the threat, and if we are not going to act, we are going to perish. So this is the right time. We need to join hands together, and many more people like Babar Afzal need to look into this direction. That way they will not be only channelizing their energy properly, but also will be really serving this planet Earth, which is really under tremendous pressure because of the problem called climate change.